So as you can see, I'm getting a call from an AI agent. Let me just pick this up.
Hello, Ritika. I'm calling from Prime Properties. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, it is.
Great, thank you. Am I speaking with Ritika?
Yes.
Thank you, Ritika. What type of property are you looking for? Residential, commercial, or is this more of an investment?
I'm looking for investment.
Which city or area are you considering for the property?
I'm looking in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
So you are considering Rupal in Madhya Pradesh. What is your approximate budget for this property?
So yes, you can see I just hanged up this call, but over here the AI agent was trying to take all of my details. It just contacted the lead and took all the details. So this is the power of the AI caller which we're going to learn in today's video. Apart from that, when you go on this call history, you can also check the recordings of the same call. Over here it says, "Hello Ritika, I'm calling from Prime Properties. Is it a good time to talk?" You can see the response of the user directly over here. You can check the transcript and you can also check the recording over here. Such a good feature, right? So let's see how this AI caller can be created in just 5 minutes. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect, if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Don't forget the discount coupon code is RITYT. And now let's see how this AI caller can be created. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder. I'm just going to let you know about this in a very short time. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on this, the link is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. What you have to do, you just have to connect your Google Sheets. You have to pick a date and connect Bolna AI, and this AI caller is created within minutes. And then what is going to happen is whenever you add the new data in your spreadsheet of your lead, instantly the call will be made towards them. Or apart from that, if you want to make the call to all the ones whose details are added in the spreadsheet, you can do that too in just a single click. What you have to do is just choose your trigger as Google Sheets, choose the event as new or updated spreadsheet row. You're going to receive the webhook URL. Just add the webhook URL in your spreadsheet. Then automatically the details of the lead will be captured right over here. Then what you have to do, you have to open Bolna AI as action. So choose the action as Bolna, event as make a phone call, choose the agent who is going to make this phone call. For that, you just have to create the agent first right over here in your Bolna account. In order to connect Bolna account, I'm just going to use Twilio. So I've connected that right over here in the provider section. You also have to connect a provider. Apart from that, in the agent also you have to choose the same provider who is going to make the call. So I connected Twilio. So here for the call, I chose Twilio. And then once your Bolna is connected, you can choose the agent right over here, enter the recipient mobile number, enter the phone number, enter the customer name, enter the scheduled date and time. To get the scheduled date and time, you have to make sure that the format should be this, and to get date and time in this format, you can use this step. What I have done is I have took out the current date and time and added 15 minutes to that date, because I want that whenever I want to place a call, from 15 minutes the call should be made. Like let's say I add the new details of the lead right over here, the call will not be made instantly. It is going to take 15 minutes and then the call will be scheduled after 15 minutes, so that the procedure goes very simple. If we keep the time really less, what is going to happen is sometimes because of a glitch or because of the queued calls, it can get an error. So I'll suggest you keep a good amount of time in between. Okay, so like this, I created this workflow. If you want the detailed tutorial of this workflow and this video, it is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. This was just a brief on how you can create an AI caller in just 5 minutes using Bolna AI and Pabbly Connect. Like this, you don't have to hire sales agent who are going to make the call to all your leads and do mistakes. You just need this one workflow which is going to work for you, collect all your lead details. As you can see, all the lead details are collected right over over here, what's their budget, what's their type, and each detail. You can also choose the extracted data right over here. As you can see over here are all the details. You can see the budget and the rest of the details too. This is the speciality of this AI caller, and you can try it for free today using Pabbly Connect. So go and try this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below.